What up, guys? And today I'm on the train to Bath Spa Rail Station. And guess what train I'm on? I'm on the new livery train. I'm on I think it's 158956, unless there's another one that's being redone. I have no idea. Yeah. I don't think there was another one which has been redone yet. Have a look at that, spanking new. Look at that. As I get into Bath, you'll see the outside of it. There, okay. This is all spanking new. This is. Yes. This is the first time I've been on an actual Great Western Railway livery train. I filmed this train before. I filmed it at Bristol Temple Meads station, as you can see on my YouTube video, my other one, and one at Westbury, which is on the same day, but it's a different video. So yeah. But I'm glad I finally got to go on one, which is good. So yeah. Okay, here I am at Bath Spa Rail Station. I'm on platform 1 at the minute, so right, let's watch the train the train I just got off go now, so here we go, it's ready to depart. Right, here we go, it's getting ready to leave. It's going. I thought so. It is definitely 158956. Yeah. Yeah. We are.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 11.
Okay, the next train coming is the 11:43 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Okay, this one's 43003 at the front. And we'll see. I don't know if I'll be able to see the back, but I don't know. I can't see properly, but I think it looks like 43031, but I'm not entirely sure. We'll see when it departs. Right, getting ready to leave is the 11:43 GWR service to London Paddington. And well, they'll be leaving in a second, so we'll get to see the back. Anyway, so that one. I know the front is 43003. I was correct. It is 43031. I was correct. we go. Okay, here comes the next train, which is the 11:47 Southwest train service to Bristol Temple Meads. Okay, this one is 159013. 159013. Calling at Keynsham and Bristol Temple Meads. Okay, we've got another train coming, and it's not scheduled to stop at this station. I would presume it would be freight. I would presume it would be freight coming. I don't know. It should come any moment. Ah, yeah, it is freight. It's a class 66. It is. And that one's a Freightliner 66414. And there's the 11:47 Southwest train service to Bristol Temple Meads leaving. Platform 1. Yep, leaving platform 1. I would imagine the freight train's probably going to Southampton, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's going to Southampton. Yeah. So, well, you never know, eh? Here we go. I'm back at the station. This one's the delayed 1212 GWR service to London Paddington. So, calling at Chippenham, Swindon, Reading and London Paddington. Right, I can't see the front, so... Right, it suddenly stopped there. I'm not quite sure why. Right, should be going now. For some reason, it just stopped in mid-sentence. Not mid-sentence, it stopped suddenly, that's what I meant. And now it's going. I will get the back. We'll definitely get the back though, won't I? 43145. Yeah, the back is 43145. Yeah, sorry about not filming some of the trains that come by, because I went to go and get this KFC. Yeah, but now I've got it, I can continue videoing. Well, I've videoed the London Paddington train, the 1212 service. So yeah, did do that one. Yeah. Right, here comes the 1236 GWR service to Portsmouth Harbour. This one's 158798.
Southampton Central. Calling at Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Warminster, Salisbury, Romsey, Southampton Central, Fareham, Cosham, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea, and Portsmouth Harbour. This train has 3 coaches.
Alright. Now departing is the delayed 12:30 GWR service to Bristol Temple Meads. The front unit is 43141. Just wait for the back unit. Power car. And the back is 43032. 43032. There's the delayed 1236 GWR service to Bristol Parkway. And that's 158958. Calling at Bristol Temple Meads, Filton Abbey Wood and Bristol Parkway. And Bristol Parkway, yeah. Right, here comes the 1243 GWR service to London Paddington. And here's 43190. See?
Calling at Chippenham, Swindon, Didcot Parkway, Reading and London Paddington. This train has 8 coaches. First class is at the rear, standard class is at the middle and front, bicycle spaces are at the very front. Please be aware that you can only bring a bicycle on this service if you have booked beforehand.
And on the rear is 43125. Now leaving is the 1243 GWR service to London Paddington. Okay, getting ready to come out is the 1256 GWR service to Brighton. No. And this unit is 158956. Yeah. 158956. Off it goes to its destination, Brighton. via Southampton Central. Right, here is a GWR service to Bristol Temple Meads. I'm not sure what time it leaves. So I'm not sure. But here's the front, which is 43188, and this is in the new livery.
Platform 2 for the 1307 Southwest trains service to London Waterloo.
Here we go, it's leaving.
At
I think this is the 1303 service. I'm not quite sure, I think it's 1303 new service, so yeah.
Platform 2 for the 1307 Southwest trains service to London Waterloo.
Here we go, it's leaving in its new livery. Okay, I think I've said it. The front is 43188. You see the back any second now. It's leaving quite slowly, so yeah. And the rear is 43187. The rear is 43187, so oh yeah.
Next series, platform number 1, Orient Express Charter series with terminates at platform number 1. Next series, platform number 1 is not for public use.
Here comes the 1307 Southwest train service to London Waterloo.
For the 1307.
Coming back is 159013 again. Yep. It's back. Yeah. I think that one's a charter train, but here's DB 67006. It's a British Pullman one, but it's not for public use, unfortunately. So yeah. Okay, getting ready to depart now is the slightly delayed 1307 Southwest train service to London Waterloo. Yeah. Calling at Bradford-on-Avon, Trowbridge, Westbury, Warminster, Salisbury, Andover, Basingstoke, Woking, Clapham Junction, and London Waterloo. Okay, this is an express Pullman train. It's got old carriages. It's got some vintage carriages. So yeah. It's got another unit over there. I think that one's a class 67 as well, so yeah. Right, coming shortly will be the Great Western Railway service, GWR service to London Paddington. So yeah. Here it comes, the 1313 GWR service to London Paddington. Here it comes.
This train has 8 coaches. First class is at the front, standard class is at the middle and rear, bicycle spaces are at the very rear. Please
right.
only bring a bicycle on this service.
The front unit is 43063. So yeah. 43063 is the front unit. About to depart is the 1313 in GWR service to London Paddington. Yeah, going to London Paddington it is. Yeah. Yeah, the front one is 43063. I think this one's calling it Didcot Parkway, I don't know. The rear power car is 43079. 43079. The rear power car is. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. My battery's getting low, so I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.